Alright, so just a quick video on everything that comes in the box. It comes with 4 little cameras. I'll open one of those up in a minute. And then this has all the cords in it. Instruction manual. I'll go through them a little bit so you can see what's in it. So this is the NVR. I noticed it doesn't come with a hard drive to put data, like to put video on, but it comes with this little card that it says if you follow these steps then you can order one of these, and it has a 2 terabyte hard drive on it. So if you did that, and it comes with everything you need to plug in the hard drive and stuff, you just put it in this NVR. And so there's all the plugins that you can put in it. And so it comes with the 4 power cords for the cameras, and this one's a little bigger because it's for the NVR. It's the power for that, and an Ethernet cable, and a little mouse. You can plug that into the NVR if you want, if you just have a monitor. And the rest of these are just power cables. So that's it for those boxes. And then in each of the camera boxes, you got the camera. They're pretty nice. They're all metal. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm gonna. That's a little night vision thing right there. You can loosen these up if you wanted. That's for the antenna. You just screw it on right there, right on that little that thing right there. And then you can either, I think this is for if you wanted to wire the cameras instead of just have them wireless to the NVR and stuff. But they're wireless, so you can just plug in power and they'll work fine. And it comes with screws to install it and everything. And yeah, that's it. The instruction manual is pretty simple. It tells you everything you need to know about it and how to connect it to a computer, your phone, or just a monitor. And yeah.
Well, hello. I already installed my cameras. Now what I wanted to show you guys is how to set it up in your devices. As an Apple, I'm using an Apple tablet. I already set it up in my phone. I bought these from Amazon and they were for $176.99. You could connect up to 8 cameras. What you guys want to do first is go to your store and search up IP Pro VR Cam EC. As you can see, I already downloaded it. That way it won't take much time. Once you download it, what you want to do is open. Setting it up is really simple. What you want to do is connect to your HDMI on your TV. It will give you a QR code. Once you get the QR code, you scan it through here, or you could input it. I already did that as well. That way it could be a little bit faster. Once you create your account, it's going to ask you for your cell phone number or username. You connect your password, and as you can see, I already have everything set up. You press confirm. Once it confirms, it's going to take you to the front page, and I will give you guys a demonstration on my cameras. As you can see, my home is online, so its cameras are online. You press play, and it will show you the cameras that are active right now, and this is live. And this is my front view, and you can see that live through this. Switch on channels, different channels. This is an amazing cameras, amazing view, quality, pictures, everything is amazing, which is highly recommended. And it's just on Amazon on Toguard for $176.99 plus tax. You could connect up to 8 cameras. Don't miss out on this deal.
Here's the box. Looking forward to see what's in it. Very excited. Okay, very well packed. There you go, very nice. Camera. Ooh. Nice. Okay. Very nice. Seems like everything that is needed to install. Well, this is very good. I was worried that the cable will not be very long, but it seems to have quite a bit of cable, and that is very good.